This is our most basic poncho. You can just do a nice roll neckline on it, or a roll finish on the neckline. I've done a roll at the bottom as well. If your machine can't do a roll, then you can just do a double turn. There is a video that you can go and watch to show you how to do a double turn. Great. So yeah, this Ellen poncho is very versatile and a very basic pattern, easy to make. The catch of all my ponchos is in the necklines, so it has a nice full over the bust. It doesn't make all funny weird stuff on the shoulders. It's just nice and classic with a few different ideas on the necklines. Right, so this is how the Ellen poncho turned out. This is really the easiest poncho pattern to make, and you'll get a lot of wear out of it. It really drapes nicely, especially with a nice and soft knit like I've used here. Alright, enjoy making this one.